In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display bid and ask labels on TradingView. TradingView is a powerful platform for traders and investors, providing a variety of tools to analyze markets effectively. Understanding how to get bid and ask labels can add an extra layer of insight to your trading strategy, helping you make more informed decisions based on the real-time prices in the market. To start off, make sure you have TradingView open on your computer. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, navigate to the chart you want to work with. You can choose any chart that's part of your analysis for either stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or any other instruments available on the TradingView platform. If you haven't already done so, familiarize yourself with the price area on the right side of the chart. This area provides you with a quick glance at the latest price activities. To bring up the bid and ask labels, you simply need to right-click directly on the price scale. This is the specific area where the price flux is shown vertically, and right-clicking here will open up a context menu. Once the context menu appears, look for the option labeled Labels. This opens a sub-menu with several different labeling options that you can apply to your chart. Hover your cursor over labels to access these additional options where you'll see an item labeled Bid and Ask Labels. Clicking on this will automatically apply the bid and ask labels to your chart, giving you a better view of the market dynamics by highlighting the bid and ask prices. The bid price is the highest price a buyer is willing to pay for an asset, and the ask price is the lowest price a seller is willing to accept. By displaying these on your chart, you can visually assess the spread, the difference between ask and bid prices, directly within your TradingView workspace. This is particularly useful as it can help you gauge liquidity and understand market depth, especially in fast-moving markets. Once you have these labels displayed, it's a good idea to take some time to observe how they change as the market progresses. This can give you insights into price moves and market sentiment. As you tailor your TradingView experience, remember that customization is key. You might find it helpful to experiment with different chart types and indicators alongside your new bid and ask labels. This process allows you to develop a more comprehensive and personalized setup. Finally, if you ever need to switch off these labels, you can revisit the same menu and deselect the Bid and Ask Labels option. We hope this tutorial enhances your TradingView experience and supports your trading activities. Keep experimenting with various settings and features to unlock the full potential of this versatile platform. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more TradingView tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.